Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the exact region. Use the wand or //pos1 and //pos2 to mark corners so you capture the right blocks. Once done, verify the volume with //size and trim excess layers. This prevents copying errors. Make sure to face the direction you want the pasted structure to face, because orientation matters. Finally, stand where you want the origin to be and run //copy. This saves the selection into your clipboard so you can place it precisely later. Now move to the destination and prepare that space. Clear obstructions or set a flat foundation so your paste aligns. Next, use //paste for immediate placement. If you want to preserve existing blocks, add the flag to ignore error. This avoids overwriting. If the structure needs rotation, use //rotate 90 or //rotate 180 before pasting, and //flip to mirror. Make sure to preview mentally where the clipboard origin will land so you don't paste off by one. Complete the operation by inspecting the pasted build and using //undo immediately if something looks off. This restores your prior state so you can adjust origin or rotation. Then repair small mistakes with targeted commands like //set and //replace or sculpt terrain using brushes. If a paste does not occur, reselect the region and run //copy again, because selection errors are common. Also make sure server protections or permissions aren't blocking WorldEdit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.